Once you open the asset group record, here in the bottom, you have an option to add to your related assets. Assets, we mean the serialized unit that you have in your inventory. Let's try to create one. BMW X1, let's say X1 2023. The acquisition cost, let's say 49,000. You can add how many readers you need to record under this asset. Let's say the type of the reader is odometer. The unit is measured in kilometers, and the reading, let's say that's a new car, 90 kilometers. The asset status, you as a super user will be able to add the new status directly from this field, or you can choose one of the available status by clicking on the lookup. Let's say you want to set this asset as available. You want to choose the model and make. Again, if you don't have it in your inventory, you can add it directly from this screen as a super user. Also, let's select the specification group for this particular asset and the acquisition day. Serial number, I'll just put random numbers and save.